Here's how to paint your landscape in Unreal Engine 5. Without further ado, let's begin. So firstly, you want to go ahead and create the material. The way you do that is simply right click in your content drawer and then you're going to see material over here, and then I'm just going to name my path. You can name it whatever you'd like. Now double click on your material layer, and then what you want to do is just go ahead and click on your content drawer once again, and then you want to go ahead and drag in your textures. Alright, so for me, I'm just going to go ahead and drag in grass, and remember you'll have to grab in the base and also the normal version of the texture. So this is grass N, so this is normal, and this right over here is the base of the grass. And then what I'm going to do is also go ahead and grab in gravel. So this is going to be my path, the gravel is going to be the path, and the grass is going to be the kind of landscape. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and grab in my gravel normal as well, and I'm just going to place them right over here for neatness sake. And now what you want to do is right click anywhere over in this blank space and then go ahead and type in landscape layer blend. So you're going to see it right over here, landscape layer blend. Just go and click on this, and now what you want to do is go and click on add element, and you're going to want to add two elements. All right, and the first element I'm just going to name it grass, and then the second element I'm just going to name it landscape, or I'm going to name it path actually. So yeah, this is path. Now I'm just going to go ahead and control C and control V. This basically copy and paste. And then what you want to do is go ahead and grab your grass RGB and place it over here. And then what you want to do is for your gravel or your secondary path, you're just going to want to go ahead and put it over here. And then for the normals, you're going to do the same thing. So this is for grass and this is for gravel. And now what you want to do is connect the first one to base color and then the second one to normal. All right, so you're going to connect your normals to normals and your base color to your base color. And I'm just going to click on apply. And now once you go ahead and click on apply, just go ahead and select your landscape right over here, and under this M ground grass currently. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in path. You're going to type in the material name of yours, and now it's going to come up like this. Now do not worry, do not get overwhelmed. What I'm going to do is simply head to landscape. Now I'm on landscape, and what you're going to do is go and click on this over here and weighted blended layer and just save as so. And also the secondary, this is the path. I'm just going to go ahead and click on this and weight blended layer and save as so. Now what I can do is just go ahead and select my path. I can decrease my brush size, and I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys. So it's going to take some time, but yeah, as you can see, so I'm able to paint on it quite normally. Now this is how gravel looks like. I know it doesn't look like much, but yes, this is basically to show you how to paint your texture or your landscape. And this pretty much concludes the video. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.